What's up, everybody? This your boy Work From Home Dude here. Want to let y'all know about a new program, Crypto Tab. Link is in the description below. Let's get right to it. This right here is a Google Chrome is backing this up as an extension for a mining pool. This mining pool, you don't have to put no income on it. You don't put no money in it, period. I haven't seen anywhere you can do it. I went over here to where it says get a boost, and this is what came up. Let's go with the rest of this right here. Hope y'all be as much excited for this as I am, because I'm excited about this. Let's see how this go. Waiting on this to load. I got like 4 or 5 tabs open. All right, there we go. Bam. Boost your income. Share Crypto Tab with your friends and get an additional percent on their b.t.c revenue. It has a calculator explained. Let me go into the details with y'all. The company is going to pay you 15% of your referrals on earning from their own mining capacity as soon as they install the Crypto Tab. No money. This is free. The only thing it is a download game. Also, we're going to pay you an additional 10% of their own funds when you refer friends and they build their own links. Same power as I'm about to show you right now. Refer network includes payments up to 10 levels of friends. Period. I'm not just playing, because this type of stuff that works. Let's just get down to the get down right here. Calculate how much you can earn. You get 5 friends and they get 5 friends, and we go 10 levels deep. This is what's going on. You're going to get $40,636. Roughly, we'll say, I don't know in between that, because it is 4.64 b.t.c. Bitcoins. Okay? If this sounds like something that really interests y'all, like it interests me, please hit the link below. Subscribe with me. This your boy Work From Home Dude here. Always trying to show you the tricks of the trade, the little slick little hustles to get you a little bit more dope muscle. I'm out. Peace. Thank you, everybody. Respect and love.